Hey, let me show you all touch gestures that you can use on the Realme Buds Air 6. So we can actually find all of these gestures by going into the application, and we have to find this button settings. And as you can see right here, for the left and the right earbud, we've got the same actions. So we've got double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. And first, we can find play and pause. We can turn next track and wake the voice assistant for the double tap. For the triple tap, we can turn the previous track, volume up or volume down, switch devices, or wake the voice assistant. And also we got the game mode. For the touch and the hold, we've got switch noise control modes, so we can choose between noise cancellation, transparency, and off. And also we can find the voice assistant, game mode, and that's all. That's all gestures that you can use. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.